Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to check your BMW M4 oil level. First, ensure your engine has reached its normal operating temperature, which is crucial for an accurate reading. Then, park your M4 on a perfectly level surface. After turning off the engine, wait for about 10 minutes. This allows the oil to drain back into the oil pan, ensuring a precise measurement. These initial steps are vital for getting reliable results. Once your car is ready, turn on the ignition, but do not start the engine. Now, use your iDrive controller to navigate through the main menu. Select the My Vehicle option, which will lead you to further settings. From there, choose Vehicle Status, and finally, select Engine Oil Level. This action initiates the electronic oil level measurement process within your BMW M4 system. After selecting Engine Oil Level, your iDrive screen will display measurement in progress. The system is now actively assessing your oil level. This process usually takes approximately 2 minutes to complete. It is very important that you do not drive the vehicle or turn off the ignition during this time. Allow the system to finish its measurement undisturbed for an accurate reading. Once the measurement is complete, the iDrive system will show your current oil level. A full green bar signifies that your oil is at the optimal level. If the level is low, add engine oil in small increments, typically 1/4 of a liter at a time. After adding oil, always wait a few minutes and then repeat the measurement process to ensure you do not overfill. Maintaining the correct level is key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.